Okay, so next we will start with bank accounting.
Bank. Yeah.
So this bank accounting is not part of FI. So in certification, you will not get question from this. This is part of FSCM, but we are doing this. Otherwise, our ARAP will not complete. So here we have a concept that is house bank. So house bank means like we have different bank informations we are maintaining in the system, like our customer bank or vendor bank, employee bank information. So house bank is the bank which is used for company's operation purpose. Okay, so for example, let's say we are having bank in Bank of America, or we have account in Citibank. So all your house banks only. So under one house bank, we are going to create one bank account with combination of bank key and bank account. So what is bank key? Branch code and bank code. So
Okay.
okay, so that means if you're going to open account in Citibank, so Citibank code and that particular branch code. So bank account we are going to create for sorry for each bank account we have to create the ledger. So we have to create three ledgers. One is your main ledger. Suppose we are going to open the bank account in Citibank, and for some account you are going to create one Citibank account here and two subsidiary ledgers also. Okay, two subsidiary ledgers. Subsidiary ledger means for incoming transactions we are going to maintain one ledger, and for outgoing transactions also we are going to maintain one ledger. And this balance, so incoming means you will find the debit balance, you will find the credit balance. So
Balance.
this balance we are going to, after doing the reconciliation, we will transfer to main bank account, and this one we are going to update in the balance sheet. So if you are having three bank account, then you have to create 9 ledgers here in ECC. Okay, so let me create a house bank first.
Why does the companies have like more than one bank account? Because of divisions or locations or things like that?
Locations, they are operating in multiple location. So if your vendor is in one location and you are going, you will try to operate one so that customers can make the payment. Okay, right now like we have the online facility is good, but if it is, let's say if check clearing all this, so to avoid the delay they should have account in the nearest location or the same location.
Like, okay.
So if you're going to create current asset, current liability, it will create confusion. So I'm going to create all these account in balance sheet category. But again, don't confuse with the financial statement. When we prepare the balance sheet, we will do in a different way. So let me check. Otherwise, this incoming maybe you will add in the current asset, outgoing maybe you will add in the current liability. So better
Definitely. Yep.
creating the group balance sheet. 4,000. Okay, I have not created bank account. Let me save this ledger because here we have the option house bank and account ID. We need to link it. Let me save it first. Okay, let me create the bank account first. Then I will create the ledgers. So transaction code. If you want to create only house bank, the transaction code is FI01. Okay, but we will create the bank account and along with house bank along with the bank accounts. So I will use the transaction code FI12, enter the company code. Chintan, we just started the bank accounting.
Oh, okay, cool. I'm gonna be on mute because I have some background noise.
Okay. New entry, house bank and bank country. Bank key. So I told you bank key is the combination of branch code and bank code. So if some bank keys are there in the system, you just select this, automatically system will get the information about the bank. If it is not there, then we need to add it. So let's say and this bank key is specific, it's specific in different countries. Let's say I will take here 987. So if something is there, right, if we click enter, I'm getting some bank information. So it is already created by someone, so some bank information is there. Okay, let me take already some bank informations are there, so already created by some user. Let me take a number, different number. It should be 9 digits. Yeah, no information is there. Let me create. So maintain the address and save it. Bank created. Double click bank accounts. New entry. So under this house bank, you can create multiple bank accounts if you want. So take the account ID, CT01, anything you can take here, customer ID, and take some description. So this 5500, I assume that last 4 digit of the account. Currency. And here you need to add the GL number. So first save it. So as I told, we are going to create 3 ledgers. So one ledger I have created as main bank and 2 sub ledgers. Sub ledgers, we are going to post all the transactions with sub ledger, not the main ledger directly. 4001. Incoming. Select open item management, because whatever the transaction, it should be there in the open mode first, then we need to transfer, or we'll do the reconciliation and we'll transfer to main bank. Sort key should be 27. 27 is value date. That means whenever we will post any transaction, any banking transaction, we need the clearing date or the value date. So value date basically we are using to know the funds position. So along with your posting date, we will take the value date. So to know the funds position, for example, let's say today we received one check for 15,000. So that amount may be immediately you are going to post into ledger. So if you'll check the bank ledger, then you will find one credit entry or inflow of 15,000 is there. But maybe that 15,000 not yet credited to our account, it will credit maybe tomorrow. So that's why in that case, value date, we will take the next business date. So when we'll run the funds position, or to check the funds position when we'll run the report, we will take the value date, which is the next business date. So that's why take the value date as sort key, and here check the field status group as G005, so that it will ask the value date, and we need to save it. Select this one, relevant to cash flow. That means with any banking transaction, this ledger will be updated. Like this, create one more account. This is the main bank. This main bank we need to, this account is your, in this example, 4000. We need to link the bank account, what we have created the number last 5500. The main bank should be linked with the, or bank master should be updated in the bank ledger, and bank ledger should be updated in the bank account. So update the ledger, main bank 4000, not the sub ledger, main bank. And in ledger also, you need to add, here no need to activate the relevant to cash flow. You need to add the bank account and account ID. Okay, now I'm going to, let me check, do we have any open item for payment? We don't have. Let me post one invoice. Continue with payment terms, so discount will be there. Document posted. Okay, which is not a due, just clear it. Process the F-53. I'm processing it manually, F-53. Vendor payment. Select the outgoing account as bank outgoing account. Payable amount, I don't know, we need to check. Select the vendor 1004900. An entry required in the value date. So as I have selected the field status group as 5 in bank account, so that's why make sure that you need to enter the value date, and this is your clearing date. So let me take the current date. So payable amount 14,250 after discount. Okay, exchange rate difference for payable account, I think 3503. 35. Accounts payable. Here also in conversion some zero difference is there, so we need to add that account. So exchange rate difference for open item. Right now open item is 3503. Double click on KDF and add the account. So in this list we need to add the account 3503. $14,000, 14,250. Take the value date. Post it. So we posted one invoice document and we cleared this invoice, document number 15,005. Earlier after processing F-53 we used to say we made the payment, but actually it is only the clearing the document, that's it. We posted one open invoice and we cleared it. Next we have to do some banking activity so that we can then only we can make the payment. Assume that we are going to make the payment through check. So what we need, suppose you are going to issue one check, you need the checkbook. Okay, then only you can write the check and you can send it to vendor. Here also we need something, not checkbook, actually it is known as check lot. So you are going to create check lot. Check lot means something like we will get the stationery from the bank and same information we are going to feed in the system. Okay, and when we will prepare the check, automatic system will going to use the same stationery for your check check printing. So checklet we will create in the system so that we can print the check from the system. Transaction code FCHI. Let's say we have two rows are there, two lots are there. Lot 1, check number 1003002 100,399. So 100 leaflets are there. In lot 2 we have 300, 100, 2, 300, 149. So we got two lots from the bank and same information we are going to feed in the system. Transaction code FCHI. Check lot, add the house bank, account ID, change, create. Lot number 1, check number 1003002 1003002 100,399. This is one lot. Lot number 2, 3001002 300,149. So how you want to issue the check, sequential or non-sequential? If we'll select when we'll go for auto payment, if we'll select non-sequential, then you have to specify the number from which check number system is going to start. Or even when you will prepare the check manually, that time also you have to specify. If it is non-sequential, automatic system will take the whatever the free number is available. So in next lot number, assume that we have completed 100,399 check. Then what will be the next lot number? So I have specified 2. That means once completed, this lot is completed, automatically next lot will be started. So I have maintained 2 lots here. Okay, next I am going to prepare the manual check, FCH 5. Prepare the check, we need only the payment document. Okay, so in here we have 2 documents are there. This is the payment document or document type KZ. So payment document, it's updated. Take the check number. So right now we are having so what is the next available check? You can update, you will get the update here, number status, whatever is updated here. So it's 0, nothing has been used. So use the 100,300. FCH5, add the payment document number. So for the payment document number 15005, update the check number, which is 100,300. Enter. So automatically we got all the information in the screen. So your payable amount is 14,250 after deducting the discount of 750. This is the vendor we are going to make the payment, and other informations you can see. Document should be in the cleared status. It is there in the cleared status, and this is the accounting document or payment document. Post it. Check 100,300 created. But before this, the check layout should be prepared by the ABAPer so that we can print it in the system. So right now we don't have the layout. Okay, no designing is there. But when I will show you the APP, there we will use the system layout and we can see the physical check also. Okay, this one created. Next, what we need to do? We need to maintain this check, all the information from check in a check register, and we will dispatch the check to the vendor. Here not required, automatically we will get the check register. So first we prepared one clearing document. By using the clearing document, we prepared the manual check through FCH5. Then check the check register. FCHN. Enter the company code. Ignore the paying company code. When I will do the APP, that time I will explain. So this is nothing but company code. Add the house bank. Execute. So we issued one check 100,300 for this payment document, and this is the details. And this check information is also available in the payment document. So this is your payment document. Double click. Environment, check information. So check number 100,300 updated in the check. So the same information also you will find, the payment document information also you will find in the check also. This is your payment. So payment screen linked with your check. Check is linked with your payment screen. So other information like with the recipient, vendor, okay, with the check issuer, from which ID it is processed. These two already you have seen. Fine. Suppose, assume that while preparing the check is damaged due to maybe defective printer or maybe due to some reason, that particular check damaged. That means we processed one vendor payment. This one, 15005 with check number 100300, and due to some reason this particular check is damaged. So it is only damage of your check, that stationery. There is no impact in the accounting. So in this case, what we need to do, we will cancel this check 100300 and we need to reissue one more check without affecting any accounting entry. So that is known as void check. Void check without vendor reversal. Transaction code FCH9. Void check without vendor reversal FCH9. And if you'll see also, after reversal there will be no impact in the accounting document. FCH9. So we want to void the check number 100300. Select the region code. Take any region. Void it. So check 100300 voided, payment document not reversed. So that means no impact on the vendor payment. No impact. But this should be changed. Let's see. Status changed, amount removed, voided by user with the region. And if you check the payment document, same also, the void status also updated here. So this is your payment document. Double click, check information, void it. So in this case, we need to reissue one more check for this payment. This is one void option. Another void option is unused check. Let's say from this lot, two checks stolen by someone. So that we want to void in the system so that no one can misuse this. So another void is there. Void unused check. Transaction code FCH3. FCH3. We want to void two checks 300102, 300101. Select the region. Void it. Okay. Same also updated in the check register. So this is after use void. This is unused void. So that's why no informations are there. Payment document is not linked. Okay. Let's say I need to reprocess for one more check for this payment document. So for this payment document, let me try one check this number by selecting this number 300101 suppose. Let's see whether system is accepting this or not. Check number 300101. The next free number from lot 2 is 300102. Okay, so this number is also updated. So for same payment document number, we processed one more check, and you will find also update in the payment document. This one cancelled or voided, this is reissue. Okay, assume that in our account we don't have sufficient fund, and due to insufficient fund, the check number, this one, check number 300100 dishonored. So in dishonored process means we issue one check number 300102. Same check we issue to the vendor. For amount 14,750, 250, 14,250. Vendor deposited in their bank. Bank deposited from vendor. It went into clearing, and there we bank found like it is insufficient funds in the customer account, so that's why it's dishonored. So in dishonored process, bank will charge the penalty on both the parties. Okay, assume that $50 deducted from both accounts. So here also 50 from our account, and from vendor account also 50. Okay, so the amount not paid as dishonored, along with that $50 again deducted, and from our account also. So this one we don't know. So when we will do the bank reconciliation, that time we will realize some debit entry is there in our bank statement for $50. But because bank will not update you, maybe right now we have the advance updation information, all SMS alert, you are getting all this. Assume that it is not there. So bank will not notify you that due to the insufficient of funds, your check dishonored and we have deducted 50. So they will not update. Once we'll get the once we'll do the bank reconciliation, you will find this deduction is there, or this is we need to record in the profit and loss account as an expenditure. This amount vendor will recover from us because due to our negligence, this amount deducted from their account. So next time when we have to make the payment, we have to make the payment 14,250 plus 50. Assume that in this process the discount period completed. So that means next time when we are going to make the payment, we have to make the full payment. Okay, so the discount earning period, it's lapsed. So 15,000 plus 50 as dishonored charges. So we need to record this 50 as bank charges. So what will be the steps here? First step is whatever the payment you did, payment document processed, first reverse it because we need the open item. So that means the document number 15005 should be reversed first. Now we don't have any open item. It should be reversed and we should have the open item. So document number 15005. So what is the original entry? Original entry, vendor debited for 15,000, bank credited, because right now if you'll see in your bank account, we have one open item is there. Why? Because we have selected open item management, so that's why open item is there. So we have an open item for actual payment 14,250. So bank is going to bank credited here. This is the original entry, 14,250, and you have one discount on discount receive is there. Credit entry 750. First we need to cancel this, reverse it. But no need to post any manual reverse entry. The moment you are going to do the reversal, automatically both your check number, what is the check number here? 3001102. So I need to process one void step where this check will be cancelled and this accounting document will be reversed. In FCH 9 only check reversed. So first process it. Void check with vendor reversal. You will get two impact here. FCH 8. Check number 300102. This is your reversal payment document. Same month, posting period 6. Cancel the payment. So payment for check 300102 cancelled and reverse document issued. Now see here. Previously we don't have any open item. Now we have a open item. So this document is posted once again and reversal document is also posted. This item should convert into cleared item. Clear now, because first the payment entry was there and a reversal entry posted. So it's over. Now assume that we are reprocessing this one when is your 3 okay, let me take then 10 days slab. So next discount will be applicable. So let me process it, reprocess. Assume that today is 23rd, 27th, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, assume that today is 23. On 23rd, we are reprocessing this payment. So that next discount slab will be there. But for this, what will be the accounting entry? The next accounting entry will be so reverse entry processed. Next payment entry. So this reverse entry already processed. Vendor credited with 15,000. That's why we have open item. Payment reversed. So that's why it's already debited. And discount is also debited. So it's done. This particular document done. Now we have a open item is there. For the next payment entry for this open item 19,003. 19,003, we need to make the payment on 23rd. Assume that today is 23rd, and the next payment will be vendor will be debited with 15,000 because that is your invoice amount. Bank will be credited with the next payment amount plus bank charges. So there will be another debit entry will be there. Bank charges, debit entry 50. Discount we need to calculate. So this amount no one is going to post manually. Again, once we'll process the F-53 by user will process F-53, this automatic posting will be there. So create one ledger for bank charges. Bank designer charges. right now we are going to debit the vendor amount deducted. Our charges we will transfer when we'll do the reconciliation. Normal expenditure. Select supplement to auto posting. This is one auto posting, but we are reprocessing this entry with already processed entry. So as ledger created, we need to do the mapping of this ledger, or account determination is required. Go to the transaction code OBXK, double click on bank charges and add the ledger number 1511. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to reprocess this payment because I need the payment document for next payment. 23rd 2008, vendor payment. Still discount is there, so take the bank account. I don't know the payable amount, so bank charges is 50. Okay, this is your dishonor charges. Value date. Okay, so it is there in the 2% slab. So payable amount is how much? 300. So sorry, discount is 300. So next payment should be 14,700 plus 50 bank charges. So next payment amount will be 14,750. Out of this, 14,700 towards invoice, 50 towards bank charges. Change the amount. 14,750. So this amount is 14,000 payment amount 14,750. Out of this, debit bank charges this 150, discount earned, credit 300, it is balanced. Vendor debited 15,000, bank credited 14,750, bank charges debited 50. So total debit is 15,000, discount credited, discount credited 300, 14,750 plus 300, 1550. Debit is also 15,000 plus 50. So check this. Outgoing payment is 14,750. Discount earned 300. Vendor debited with 15,000. Bank charges debited with 50. Automatically this charge is calculated and it will be posted. Add the text. Now we got one more document, payment document 150006. Okay, let me take the date as 23rd. Okay, so the new payment document generated 150006, and we have to make a payment by using this document date. So we have an open item now in the bank ledger also. 4002 4002 23rd. Okay, so you have a open item. For this open item or for this payment, you need to post a, or you need to clear, make a check FCH 5, take the next available number 300,103. Okay, 14,750. So the check number 300,103 also updated in the check register. So this is the manual payment process.